upper limit. NH here, NH means upper limit minus lower limit. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. Then fx here e to the power x. F of f plus rh e to the power f plus rh. E to the power m means 0, 0 plus rh e to the power rh. Clear up to this? Now, from definition, integration 0 to 1 e to the power x dx. Limit x tends to 0, h into summation f of f plus rh are from 1 to n or 0 to n minus 1, 1 to n. Now, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, h into integration f of f plus rh means already we got e to the power rh r from 1 to n. Now, limit h tends to 0, h into second bracket e to the power, if you put 1, then e to the power h plus e to the power 2h plus e to the power 3h, then e to the power nh, then e to the power nh. Okay, so last part it will be e to the power nh. Now limit h tends to 0, h into if you take common e to the power h, then it will be 1 plus e to the power h plus e to the power 2h, then last part e to the power n minus 1 into h, taken h common. So GP formula a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So if you use this formula, I'm writing here limit h tends to 0, h into e to the power h into direct formula. If you use, then it will be e to the power nh minus 1 by e to the power h minus 1. GP formula. Is it clear? Now, if you separate limit h tends to 0, okay, h by e to the power h minus 1, one part, and another part here it will be limit h tends to 0, e to the power h. Is it clear? It will be e to the power h into e to the power nh minus 1. Clear? E to the power nh minus 1. Now, if you divide by h, then it will be 1 by limit h tends to 0, e to the power h minus 1 by h, one part, and here if you put 0, then it will be e to the power 0 and nh equal to 1. Here e to the power 0 and nh means 1. So here 1, e to the power 0, 1, e minus 1. So answer is e minus 1. So simple. First of all, you write solution. Here nh we need b minus a, upper limit minus lower limit, 1 minus 0, because b1 a 0 we write beginning, then fx e to the power x, what is given, then f of a plus rh you calculate, e to the power a plus rh, a 0 lower limit, so e to the power rh. Now 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, limit h tends to 0, h into this formula, then h into f of a plus rh e to the power rh, then you put 1, 2, 3 up to n, take common e to the power h, then inside what will come, GP formula, e to the power rh minus 1 by e to the power h minus 1. Then h by e to the power h minus 1, one part, and e to the power h into e to the power nh minus 1, another part. This one, upper one. Okay? Hello? Next, this one, if you put h equal to 0, then here e to the power nh first 1, or beginning you put nh equal to 1 and then put limit. Then it will be more clear. First nh below 1, e minus 1 e to the power h will remain, limit h tends to 0, then h equal to 0. I put directly spaceless. So this is 1 and this is e minus 1 because e to the power 0, 1. Answer is e minus 1. Answer is e minus 1. Is it clear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The next question. Second question you write. Number 2. Question number 2. Integration 0 to 1. Integration 0 to 1. Ax plus b. Ax plus b into dx. So let solution. Let fx ax plus b. Am I clear? So f of, here you write 1 by 1, you can write. Okay. Hello. F of a plus rh. A plus rh. A into, in place of x, a plus rh plus b. Clear? So nh, b minus a, 1 minus 0, that is 1. So if you put, then what you will get? Hello, a equal to 0 here. F 0 plus rh. Here, since a equal to 0, so what you will get here? If you multiply and then calculate, then you will get, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Then this a constant. See here, f of a plus rh. This a actually constant. So inside a 0. So a plus, you will get a rh, a rh plus b. I repeat. Otherwise, any other variable you use over here. Here, this is a plus rh. This a and this constant are totally different. So in order to avoid confusion, you can use here any other variable for this type of particular problem. So we'll get a plus rh plus b, nh we got. Now 1 by 1 problem step, you see here, integration 0 to 1 f of, or directly if we write ax plus b into dx, first part. So by definition, we can write limit h tends to 0, h into summation r from 1 to n. Okay. F of a plus rh, that is a rh plus b. Now limit h tends to 0, h into 1 by 1 you write a plus rh, r when 1, then it will be a h plus b plus a 2ah because r equal to 2, so 2ah plus b, second term. Then next 3ah plus b, like this. Last term it will be nah plus b, nah plus b, nah plus b. Now limit h tends to 0. Now limit h tends to 0. H, if you take first part, see ah, 2ah, 3ah. From that, if you take out h, or I am writing separately, then you will understand. It will be h square into a. If you multiply by h, okay, h square. So a is there, so h square a or a h square. Then within bracket we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, one part. Am I clear? And second part we will get bh, from bh, b into h. Then next part bh, like this if you take. So bh if you take common, so within bracket we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So GP series first part, AP series, limit h tends to 0, h square a into summation ap, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2, instead of 1 to n sum, plus bh 1 2 3 again. Here you see last, here directly I am writing, you see BH, n time BH will come. So if I take BH common, so 1 in 1 will come n times. So NBH directly we can write. I repeat, second part you see BH, then BH, then BH, so NBH. Am I clear? So now you see here limit h tends to 0. 1 h you take over here, h square. So nh one part, another h you put inside. nh plus h whole into a by 2 plus bh. NBH is here, NBH. As you know that here NH means upper limit minus lower limit 1. So here B into NH together we will put wherever NH 1. Am I clear? So here what you will get NH1 and here 1 plus H. So what you will get limit H tends to 0. Be careful when you are putting the value. So once you put the value, what you will get over here a by 2 into is a by 2 constant a and by 2 a by 2 into here 1 plus H. Okay, so 1 plus H equal to 0. So it will be a by 2 into 1 plus b nh1. So ultimately then no need to put limit h tends to 0 because directly I put. So we'll get a by 2 plus b, direct. You can check that one. Direct integration you do a into x square by 2 plus bx, then put the limit, it is coming a by 2 plus b. That means your sum is correct. Answer. So a by 2 plus b. So simple part, f of a plus r h, you first find out a from the given limit, you find out the a and b, put down the value over here, it will be simplified form, you will get. Then nh means b minus a, that value also you calculate beginning. Then write the first formula, limit h tends to 0 h into summation a plus r h plus b 1 to n. Then one part r 1 2 3 that like that 2 3 terms, and finally n. Then one by one you take out the bracket, first part from every bracket ah everywhere. So if you take common ah into h multiplying by outside h square a, and here 1 plus 2 plus n, and last part from every bracket 1b will come n times nb into h nbh. Then 1 plus 2 plus n AP formula sum n into n plus 1 by 2. Then out into h square a. This h you split h into h. One h outside n into h nh, and another h you put inside the bracket nh plus h into whole into a. This a constant, and remaining part as it is b into nh. Then wherever nh you put 1, already we calculated beginning nh 1. And after that, wherever h you put 0. So a by 2 plus b. So answer is 2b plus a by 2 or
Sir,
a by 2.
so what is the last third line?
Limit h tends to 0, h square into a. H square, I'm writing h square into a, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus b into nh. Third last line. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next line 1h with outside n, nh, and another h you insert in the bracket nh plus h. That one only written next. Whole into a will remain plus b into nh. Next nh equal to 1. Wherever nh will come, you put 1, and finally wherever h will be there you put 0. So you'll get a by 2 plus b. Am I clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, you write, then I will write. Done. Hello?
Yes, sir.
May I read? Hello.
Yes.
Next question. Integration 1 to 2 5x dx. 1 to 2 5x dx. Here solution. Here let fx equals to 5x. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 2. So n is b minus a, 2 minus 1, 1. So f of a plus rh, 5 into a plus rh. Am I clear? So here a equals to 1. So 5 into 1 plus rh, 5 plus 5 rh. 5 plus 5 rh. Now integration 0 to 1. 5x dx. What we will get? Limit h tends to 0, h into summation f of f plus rh r from 1 to n. So limit h tends to 0, h into summation f of f plus rh, you got 5 plus 5 rh r from 1 to n. Okay, so how will do? If you split this one, okay, so if you multiply 6c, 5h plus 5 rh square, 5h plus 5 into 5 into rh square, isn't it? So how will you do this one? Or 5 if you take out, so limit h tends to 0, 5h, 5 I am taking out constant, then summation it will remain 1 plus RH. So directly if you put the value, then what you will get? 1 into, check this one, 1 plus 1 into H plus 1 plus 2H plus 1 plus 3H, like that. Last 1 plus NH. Now limit H tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, 5h. First part you see, first part 1, 1, 1 n times. So it will be n into 1 n plus, if you take common h, what will you get? Hello. So within bracket 1 plus 2 up to n. So it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Now if you multiply limit h tends to 0, 5 nh. Suppose by 5 I am multiplying, and then what will you get? Hello. 5h square.
Yes,
5h square n into n plus 1 by 2. Now nh, as you know that nh you got 1. Limit h tends to 0, 5 into 1 plus 5 by 2. This 2 I have taken, and h square into n plus 1. So that part we can write nh plus h, nh plus h. Top I have given like bar sign. It will work as a bracket. Otherwise, first here you put third bracket, here you put second bracket, and here if it is problem, then first bracket. What you will write? nh plus h. One h outside n, and next h inside, nh plus h. Third bracket close. Now you see what you will get from here. If you split this one, and now if you calculate first part, how will you get the answer? 5 plus 5 by 2, nh 1 plus 1 plus 0. Or second time you can put first nh 1 and then 0. So after calculation you will get 5 by 2 plus, understood? Hello.
yes, sir.
5 by 2 plus 5. 5 by 2 plus 5. Here into. So it will be 5 to the 10 plus 15, 15 by 2. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 will be the answer. This is dot, or you can put here into sign, not plus. It will be into. So last part, NH into NH plus H. So it will be 5 by 2 plus 5 or 15 by 2. 15 by 2. So I repeat, integration 1 to 2, I have given 5x dx. So fx 5x, fa plus rh, 5 into a plus rh, a here 1, so 1 plus rh, 5 I have multiplied, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 rh. Then formula I have written, then I put f of a plus rh value 5 plus 5 rh. Then next part you see what I have done. 5 I have taken common, so 5 into outside h, 5h, and then 1 for every bracket 1 will come when you will put r equal to 1, 2, 3. So from every bracket you will get 1 n times. So n into 1 n plus h into here n 1 plus 2 plus 3, since we have taken common, so we will get n into n plus 1 by 2. Which one? If you take second part, r 1, 2, 3 like that, na? So h plus 2h plus 3h, h if you take common within bracket 1 plus 2 up to n. So h into n plus 1 by 2. Then outside 5h if you multiply 5 nh, and second part 5 h square into within bracket, or directly you can write n into n plus 1 by 2. Then this first part nh1, 5 into 1, 5 into 1. Second part h square, 1 h for outside n, nh, and another h for bracket part. So nh plus h. That way I have split it. I repeat, I am showing the steps. H square into n plus 1. This one I am taking. 1 h for outside n, nh, another h I am inserting. So it will be nh plus h. That way I have done over here. Then put the value, you will get the answer. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Next question. Integration minus 1 to n, minus 1 to 1, 2x plus 3 by 4 dx. Is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So here, what is A, what is B, that one you have to write here. So this one I'm giving homework, just giving hint. Here, solution. Lower limit A, minus 1, upper limit B, 1, nh, we know that B minus A, 1 minus minus 1, that is 2. Here, fx will be 2x plus 3 by 4, f of a plus rh. Okay, f of a plus rh, 2 into a plus rh plus 3 by 4. Okay, now from definition of limit is some what we can write here. Integration minus 1 to 1, 2x plus 3 by 4 dx. So we can write limit h tends to 0, h into summation r from 1 to n, 2 into a plus rh plus 3 by 4. Is it clear? Wherever a, you put minus 1. Wherever a, you put minus 1. So what will be the here one thing simplified form? If you beginning only, if you put a equal to minus 1 a plus minus 1 plus rh by 4 plus 3. So after calculation here minus 2 plus 3 means 1. So 2, is it clear? So
Yes,
what
sir.
we get
Yes.
from here? 2rh plus 1 by 4. 2rh plus 1 by 4. Is it clear? So this is equivalent. Next line, limit h tends to 0, h into summation. This part means 2rh plus 1 by 4 are from 1 to n. Are from 1 to n. So limit h tends to 0, h into, now you put the value 1, 1. Okay, 4 constant, you can take it out, h by 4, h by 4. So it will remain 2rh plus 1. So if you put the value, what you will get? 2h. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, first part. And second part, 1, 1, 1 from every bracket you will get. So it will be n. It will be n. Now, limit h tends to 0, h by 4 twice h, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. Then by h, if you multiply, then 1 by 4 within bracket 2h square. So what these two and these two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. So what will you get? 1 nh and nh plus h plus nh multiplying by h.
Sir, what is the previous line? Limit h.
This one, nh, and by h if you multiply nh plus
Sir,
h.
outside of bracket.
Hello?
Outside of second bracket.
Outside second bracket h by 4. H by 4. This 4 I have taken out and outside one h is there. So h by 4. Next h I have taken inside. So 2h square. Here 2 cancel h1 and this h if you insert, then it will be h square. 1 h with outside nh and another h I have entered. So it will be nh plus h plus this n into outside h nh. So this is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. So ultimately, what you will get, nh, wherever nh, it is how much? Nh means 2. Nh means 2. So we will get 1 by 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Directly, nh equals to 2, and wherever h, you will put 0. So 2 plus 0 means 2. 2 into 2, 4. Plus n is 2, 4 plus 2, whole divided 4. So 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. Clear, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Tell if any problem. Hello, sir?
No problem, sir.
Okay, another sum.
Sir, একটু
Okay.
স্যার ক্যামেরাটা একটু উপরে করো না, কোশ্চেনটা একটু।
দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ।
হ্যালো? The time running out, so you do. Madam, done? Hello?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Otherwise, this chapter sum, again I will put, send that one if you tell it. Now, next question. I hope you can, this one, integration a to b e to the power mx dx. So, m related sum, except e to the power x we did today. Here, if any constant is there, plus or minus, now you can do by this sum. Once we solve this one, you can do any sum like this form. Here, directly I am doing, since now you understood, limit h tends to 0. Okay, h into summation f of f plus rh are from 1 to n. So limit h tends to 0, h into f of r, f plus rh means e to the power. Directly I am writing one line, then you will understand. Summation e to the power m into f plus rh. r from 1 to n, r from 1 to n. Here, after writing this one, if you split this one, how we can split this one? NH, what is NH here? NH means B minus A. NH means B minus A. This few information beginning you can write or side. Now, e to the power ma into e to the power mrh. E to the power ma plus e to the power. Here, if you split this one, e to the power ma into e to the power rh. So e to the power ma constant, you can take it out. E to the power ma into limit h tends to 0, h into summation e to the power m into rh. E to the power m into rh. Am I clear? So e to the power m into rh means direct if you do, okay, let me write e to the power m rh, r from 1 to n. So once you put the value e to the power ma limit h tends to 0, h into within bracket e to the power r1 means mh, then e to the power 2 mh plus dot dot e to the power m n h when r n last term. Now e to the power ma constant into limit h tends to 0, h into formula. What will be the formula? General formula a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, GP formula, GP series. So what we will get here? E to the power m nh minus 1 by e to the power mh minus 1, r minus 1, r here mh, mh e to the power mh everywhere common, so common ratio here e to the power mh, GP series. What is the formula? A into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, GP series sum formula. So here A means what is A? First e to the power mh, clear? E to the power mh. So now if we calculate, what we will get over here? E to the power ma constant. Then within bracket directly I am doing m into as we know that nh. NH means how much? NH means B minus A. NH means B minus A. Is it clear? Minus 1. Upper one, and lower one, you see, lower one we can split. Which part will remain? Limit h tends to 0, 1 by e to the power mh minus 1 by h. This h or dividing numerator and denominator by h. That way also you can do. So h by h 1 and here e to the power mh minus 1 by h. Is it clear? Hello. So we know that this is equals to 1. This is equals to 1. So what part will remain? E to the power ma. Is it clear? Shall I show the steps? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
E to the power
Yes.
x minus 1 by x formula. So make it m. And here you multiply by m. Divide m into m. So 1 by m you can take out. So e to the power ma by m. E to the power x minus 1 by x1. Limit h tends to 0. X tends to 0. So here mh minus 1 by mh into m. This m extra we have multiplied divided. So 1 by m we can take it out. Okay. So what part will remain over here? E to the power. Hello. Hello.
Okay, sir.
E to the power mb minus e to the power ma. E to the power mb minus e to the power ma. Is it clear? By m. E to the power mb minus e to the power ma by m. Directly, may I write it directly? mb minus ma. I'm writing here steps directly. E to the power mb minus e to the power ma by m. This m, 1 by m, will come over here.
Okay, sir.
Direct multiple integration result. What will be the integration result? E to the power mx by m. limit a to b. Now if you put e to the power mb minus e to the power ma by m, this one will be the answer. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
No doubt. No doubt, sir.
This line very important. Apparently, if you see, you will find it is missing. No. If here e to the power mb minus ma into e to the power ma, so that part will be cancelled. You will get from here only e to the power mb minus e to the power ma. So that one is this one. So mind that. This is the important step. And here this is the one. Am I clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So related one sum I'm doing. Is it clear? This step? Hello? May I raise?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Done?
Done.
Okay, very good. Now, one related sum I'm doing, then it will be more clear. Integration 0 to 1 e to the power 2x dx, like mx. So here fx to the solution. Here fx e to the power twice x. So nh b minus a, that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Now f of a plus rh e to the power 2 into a plus rh means e to the power 2 into a means 0. So e to the power 2rh, f of a plus rh value. Now if you put the value over here, what you will get? I am doing directly now, you can understand. Integration 0 to 1 e to the power 2x dx equals to limit h tends to 0 h into summation. Okay, since a 0, so f of a plus rh means, okay, writing first formula. Now directly I am writing limit h tends to 0 h into summation a means 0. Here lower limit 0. So f of rh r from 1 to n. So this one value is what? E to the power hello 2h e to the power 2rh limit h tends to 0 h into summation e to the power 2rh r from 1 to n. So now if you calculate limit